Did you catch it? On the latest Walking Dead, Daryl was secretly communicating with Rick by Morse code. Maybe you saw Michonne walk past that Morse code sign? Well, that was a clue. Here is the actual translation of what Daryl had to say.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, everybody. Let's get started. Big day. Hey, Rick. You see that? What I just did? That is some service.
We're on easy street, and it feels so sweet, 'cause the world is but a treat.